JavaScript and jQuery challenges. One of the best ways of learning JavaScript is through these challenges. And in particular, now that we're getting into jQuery, it's really important to get used to the jQuery syntax. The way these challenges work is we'll pose a challenge, I'll put forward a challenge, and I'll have you do it in both JavaScript and jQuery. So this will really help you with the syntax of both JavaScript and jQuery and understanding the differences between the two. So I'll provide you with a challenge like this. And usually the challenges start off fairly simple, and then they become more complex as we move through the challenges. So I'll give you a challenge like this, and then on the next slide, if you need to look, the solution is on the next slide. But hopefully you don't really need to look at the solution. Really try to do the challenges without looking at the solution. If you have to look at the solution, that's fine. You can look at the solution and hopefully you'll go, aha, I see what I was supposed to do. And then you can go back and do the challenge without looking at the solution. If you want to learn JavaScript or jQuery, you have to get used to the syntax. And this is the best way to get there, is to really force yourself to do these challenges and do them several times. Do them over and over again. Do them today and then do them again tomorrow. And tomorrow, when you do them, hopefully you'll be able to do more of the challenges without looking at the answers. Each challenge builds on the next so that they become more complex as they go along. And that will really help you learn both JavaScript and jQuery and help you understand the differences between the syntax of how each of them work.